Leafs. The Leafs aren't even leafing. I didn't think that fancy graphics meant the Leafs. Nuclear fuel. Nuclear fuel. Nuclear fuel. Yeah! My life's not my own. Like, I'm just a character in a game. The attack of the aliens. They came for me. On a Cinnabot. You know what? It's on a cinnamon bun. I give up. Potato Man needs more upgrades. Not eat the camera. Although it is temptationally looking like mint. Rambles to himself as he stares. Hang on, I gotta find my eyes. Stares at the potatoes. He rambles. They grow both in straight and... Wait, what? Strength and numbers. Strength and numbers. I can read. I learned my literacy. Leafs. Glorious leafs. The leafiest leaf. Leaf. That's a song named Rake. Just drinking my coffee. Let me fix the puppet's hair. I feel like that did not help at all. It's like a wild professor. Just slide on in over here. We can afford some grandmas. I'm going on a few dates. Grannies. Give me the grannies so that I can put them to work. I feel like this is the equivalent of a water cooler at the office and going, I'm getting so much work done. The intrusive thoughts are to pour the coffee on the puppet. But I know exactly what that would do. That would be wet sock, but wet hand edition. And nobody likes a wet sock. I lift a lot. Let's get more grandmas. Wait, we can afford a farm. Don't we already have another farm? Don't we have potatoes? We have potato farm. And now we have another farm. There's a lot of farming. So the top jaw is just like... Oh my god. You know how I joked about wet socks earlier? Yeah, the coffee spilled everywhere. Not just a little bit of coffee spilled. My whole cup just went... I got on my keyboard. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. What do you make when you got a wet keyboard? What do? Make keyboard soup? Nobody wants keyboard soup. Yeah. We'll just make some keycap soup because that's how we'll deal with it. Alright. Can we fight it? I feel like we can. Nope. Stop. Lawn-a-dee lawn. Lawn-a-dee lawn. 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 Brought to you by grass. Most of the mug was on the floor. Life is about experience. And keycap soup. What are you? A man or a mouse? I'm a puppet. It's perfectly normal. Just getting some leaves. I'm plibbing it up. Potato brain. So little Roombas are going. So we'll help the Roombas. I want chaos. And we can get the granny upgrade. Get thumbnail phase. So that I can come back to this point and be like, I feel like that's perfect thumbnail phase. At what point will the idling stop? Gets it. I get the idling. I get why people love them. You can be non-productive at work. Yeah. My brain's not with me. It's mush. It's just mush. I'll mush. I'll mush all the time. Better. Be more. Get more leaves. Get more cookies. Get more potato. One day defeat slime. Well, sometimes the bad chaos, but like mostly the good chaos. I always tempted to switch the salt with sugar. Yeah, but only for myself. Because I would forget. Like 2 weeks later, I would forget and I would go, huh, Why does this taste like the sea? Be terrible. Thank you to anybody who has, like, Puppet. And this is me idling out